Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now this particular category that I'm in is a Caribbean Tropical Premium room, and we're also going to review the Caribbean Deluxe in the same video. They are the exact same room, just slightly different views, with the Premium being a little bit upgraded. Let me show you the room and we'll talk a little bit more about that outside. As you walk into the room, to the right you're going to find the restroom. So as soon as you get in here, you can see there's a huge double vanity. You've got a large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror, plugs for a shaver, and then underneath you have a ton of extra towels for you. You'll also notice the full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Keep in mind, if you want to see the Red Lane Spa here on site, the beach, the pools, the restaurants, all of the public areas, make sure you check out our full resort tour as well. In addition, we have the other rooms and suite categories in case you're considering an upgrade, including those amazing over-the-water bungalows and Rondeval suites. So just around the door here, you can see that you have a shower tub combo. Now keep in mind that these categories, there's some that are just shower only, and then others that are like this. Make sure that you request that at check-in and let us know as well. They'll do their very best, but it's not something that can be guaranteed. Directly across from the bathroom, you're gonna find your storage right here. Plenty of hanging storage. You've got extra pillows, blankets, hair dryer, iron and ironing board, a golf umbrella, and a safe big enough for your laptop. So now we're on to the bedroom space. You've got a small butler's pantry to the left here. You've got a coffee maker and tea kettle. They'll provide coffee and tea for you throughout your stay. You can have it replenished. And then just underneath, you're gonna have a fully stocked mini bar with beer, wine, sodas, juices, and bottled water. Here you'll see your large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. You've got your two nightstands on either side. Directly across from the bed, you're gonna find the large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so of course you can watch television, stream from your own device, or you can see what's going on throughout the resort. Next is a writing desk right here. You've got a small bench seat that pulls out underneath. You've got your phone, Bluetooth speaker, and here's where you're gonna find the US chargers and USB in addition to the UK ones. Now keep in mind that they use UK plugs here in St. Lucia. I always bring a couple extra adapters so that I can utilize it for all my devices throughout my stay. You've got a reading chair over here in the corner, and then directly across, you're gonna have a love seat with a coffee table. Now let's head outside. So now we're out on the balcony area here. You're gonna find you have a drying rack, perfect for your suit when you come on up from the beach or the pool. And here you'll have two chairs and a table. This is that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Now keep in mind that we're talking about two different views. They're only slightly different. The Tropical Premium has a bit of an upgraded view. You can see a little bit more of the ocean. And then the Caribbean Deluxe, you can't really see any of the ocean at all. Now, if you look around the corner there, you can kind of see where the resort opens up. So these rooms are a bit sporadic. It's based on the landscaping. So where the trees are higher, you're gonna find one category versus the other. So when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.